Welcome back. I can't wait for Friday night. But in the meantime, gotta look at this Jeep now. This is a 2020 Jeep Latitude, and it's got a rattling noise. And it's a pretty new vehicle, only 40K on it. And let me show you what I found. Looking around underneath, I found this. I found the gas tanks falling out. And look at that. They are so brilliant that they attach the brake line to the gas tank. That way, if your gas tank falls out, it also, well, it'll probably get caught by the exhaust before it lights your whole shit on fire. But it's going to take your brakes out too. And isn't that just fantastic engineering? I don't know if this was a mistake that somebody made during a recall, trying to rush things or whatever, but pretty scary thing to find, y'all, that your gas tank's falling out on a brand new car pretty much. But, well, it's not new anymore. But anyway, have a good day. Peace.